Our planet, a blue oasis in the vastness of space, appears remarkably stable. It spins on its axis with unwavering regularity, governing day and night. But beneath this apparent constancy lies a dynamic system, sensitive to even the slightest changes. What we often fail to grasp is that our everyday actions, as small as they may seem, can have a profound impact on this delicate balance. Take, for instance, the simple act of turning on a tap. We rarely pause to consider where that water comes from or the journey it has taken to reach us. Deep beneath our feet, hidden from view, lies a vast reservoir of groundwater, a precious resource that sustains life on Earth. For centuries, we have drawn upon this hidden bounty, often with little regard for the consequences. What we are only now beginning to understand is that the depletion of groundwater has far-reaching implications, extending even to the Earth's rotation. This may seem like a fantastical notion, but the science is clear. By moving trillions of tons of water from the Earth's interior to its surface, we are altering the planet's mass distribution. Just as a spinning top will wobble if its weight is unevenly distributed, so too does the Earth respond to changes in its mass. The consequences of this interference are only now beginning to be revealed, and they are both fascinating and concerning. To comprehend the magnitude of our impact, we must first grasp the sheer volume of water we're manipulating. Imagine, if you will, a gigaton, a billion metric tons, equivalent to the weight of over 200 million elephants. Now multiply that staggering figure by 2,150. That is the amount of groundwater humans pumped from the Earth's depths between 1993 and 2010. Where did all this water go? A significant portion ended up in the oceans, contributing to the ever-rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities worldwide. But the journey of this water from underground reservoirs to the sea is not a neutral one. As we extract groundwater from the land and transfer it to the oceans, we are effectively redistributing mass on a planetary scale. This redistribution of mass, while seemingly minuscule compared to the Earth's total mass, is sufficient to affect the planet's rotation. Remember the spinning top? Adding even a small weight to one side can cause it to tilt and wobble differently. Similarly, the movement of vast amounts of groundwater is causing the Earth's axis to shift, a phenomenon known as polar drift. In 2023, a groundbreaking study published in the journal sent shockwaves through the scientific community. A team of researchers, led by geophysicist Ki-Weon Seo of Seoul National University, revealed the alarming extent to which human activity has tilted our planet. Their findings were stark. Between 1993 and 2010, groundwater pumping alone caused the Earth's rotational axis to tilt eastward by a staggering 31.5 inches, or approximately 80 centimeters. To put this into perspective, that's about the height of an average doorway. The researchers were taken aback by the magnitude of the shift, particularly given that their initial model, which considered only the melting of glaciers and ice sheets, failed to account for the observed drift. It was only when they factored in groundwater redistribution that the model accurately reflected the Earth's actual tilt. The implications of this discovery are profound. While this shift in Earth's axis does not directly impact the seasons, as some might fear, it could have unforeseen consequences for our climate. Scientists are still working to understand the full ramifications of this tilt, but one thing is clear. Our planet is a far more interconnected and sensitive system than we previously realized. The study serves as a stark reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, extending far beyond our immediate surroundings. Every drop of water we use, every product we consume, every journey we take, contributes to the intricate web of interactions that govern our planet's delicate balance. The future of our planet, and indeed our own survival, hinges on our ability to recognize the interconnectedness of all things and to act accordingly. By embracing sustainable practices, from conserving water to reducing our carbon footprint, we can collectively strive to restore balance to our planet and ensure a healthy future for generations to come. Remember, even the smallest actions, when multiplied by billions, can create a ripple effect that resonates across the globe. It is time for us to choose wisely, for the Earth's sake and for our own. For more information, visit our website, www.earthcrew.com.